In this video, I'll be showing you how to add skills in FlowCV. First, go ahead and head over to the Content tab. Then scroll down and click Add Content. From the list of options, select Skills. For this example, I'm just using a fake resume, so all the information you see here is for demonstration only. From here, you can start adding the skills you've gained through your past experiences. You can enter the skill title, add extra information or a sub-skill set, choose the skill level you're at, and once that looks good, click Done. I'll add another skill as well, just to show you how it looks when you have more than one skill listed. You can repeat the same steps for each skill you want to include. What's nice about FlowCV is that you can change the layout of the skills section, and you'll see those changes update immediately on your resume. You can also rearrange where the skills section appears in the editor, depending on how you want your resume to flow. So, that's basically how to add skills in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.